Hey guys, welcome to the 28th C# tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer data in between forms. Now for this tutorial all you're going to need is a button and a text box. We're also going to need to create a new form. In order to do that you're going to want to go up to Project, Add Windows Form. You can call a form anything you would like. I'm just going to keep the default Form 2. Then go ahead and click Add. All we're going to do on Form 2 for right now is put a label down. Just put it anywhere you want on the form. Alright, now you're going to want to go up to View and Code. Now inside these parentheses right here where it says public and then your form's name, inside these parentheses you're going to want to type the variable that you want to have it to be. So if you want to have it pass a bool through or a string or an int, just type that. But I'm going to use string for right now. And then I'm going to call it my string. You can add multiple variables by simply putting a comma and adding another variable. So if you want to have it be a bool, and then type whatever you want the bool name to be, like, I don't know. But for right now, I'm just going to have it be string. Now right here, under this initialize component, we're going to want to type label1.text equals my string. So whatever we pass through here is going to be the label1's text. So now we're going to want to go back to form 1. And we're going to want to type form 2, and we can call it anything we'd like. I'm just going to call it that. And set it equal to a new form 2. Now inside these parentheses right here is where we're going to want to put the string that we want it to pass through. We're just going to have it pass through text box 1's text. So now we're just going to close it off here with a parenthesis and semicolon. Now we're going to want to show form. So to do that, you can do f.show or show dialog. It really doesn't matter right now. Alright, so now when we debug here, whatever we type in this text box will show up on Form 2's label. So if we type in hello, Form 2's label will now be hello. There you go. Now close this out and type something else in here, it'll change obviously. So if we type Adam, and now the label will be Adam. Alright, now something else, if you want to be able to use that variable anywhere else besides right here, all you have to do is go up here and create a new variable, the same type as this. So if we do string, string, my string, and then all we have to do is type my string, the lowercase one, since that's the one up here, is now going to be equal to the one in here. So we just type, my string. So now, say if we wanted to have a button on here and set the label, so then we could use it anywhere else, anywhere in the forms code we could use it now. So we can just do the message box dot show my string. So it'll be pretty much the same thing. So now whatever we type in this text box right here will show up when we click the message box on Form 2. So if we type this is a message box. So now when we click this button, and now when we click this button right here on Form 2, a message box will show up saying the exact same string as in this box. There you go. Now I'll give an example of passing multiple variables through. So if we just want to type, let's say bool, my bool, and then we'll just create a new one up here, bool, my bool, and we'll have my bool equals my bool. And then we'll just have the header of the message box be the bool. So let's do my bool dot toString. Oops, sorry, Alright, so now we go back to Form 1. Let's put a comma right there and we type in the bool. I'll just have it be true because it's just for the purpose of this tutorial. So now when we, same thing, just type any text right here, press this button, we should get a message box that says true on the top, and the text on the message box will be whatever we typed in there, which is GSDF. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you have any questions related to this topic, just talk to me in AIM. My AIM is ITZ Adam 5. So yeah, see you guys.